This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Vicky Locker. Peaceful and quiet dead-end cul-de-sac location makes this home very desirable along with the open, light and bright floor plan. This home has vaulted ceilings and cozy gas fireplace. 2 living spaces, primary bedroom west/bay window, ensuite, and walk-in closet. Kitchen has pantry and instant hot water. Also has AC and 20 solar panels. Fully wrapped wood windows. Lovely mature landscaping on shy 1/4 acre, large Trex deck west/partial mount view, electric awning over deck for shade, garden space and 12 by 20 shed west/loft space. 1 workbench and garage stays. Wired for a generator. There is also a neighborhood park and playground. For more information, review the details below or contact Vicky Locker at 360-398-6800.